Hi guys, I posted a video of this kit already assembled by my grandson. And I thought I ought to do a video of assembling it myself. And on the video that I did post, I had a suggestion from Dav Ken to get it to power a car or a boat. So we'll have a look when we put it together. We'll see if we can get it to drive a car or a boat. Sun's come out. It's been raining all day. Skies are still pretty grey out there, so it might well start raining again. There's not very many parts to this kit. It only took my grandson a matter of minutes to put it together. All it is an electric motor with a fan on it, and to make it interesting they've given a LED to go across the on-off switch, so the LED comes on when you switch it on. These little bits are for clamping the wires in place. They're just springs. I guess I ought to follow the instructions. So, install the three spring connectors with the switch plate, as shown here. So that's that way round. I guess it's that way up. There. And then there. And that one. Oh, I'm doing that out of... Oh, sorry guys, I wasn't watching the camera. I have to do that again, aren't I? Right, I'll restart. Right, we'll try and do it so you can actually see what I'm talking about. So, one of them are there. One of them there. That beeping in the background is my tea is ready. One of them there. So that's the on-off switch. That's better, so it's a bit springy. Section 2. Another spring connector up there. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4 there. And then the resistor. There. LED there. So one leg of that LED comes round onto there. So just bend these and that clamps the wires in place. One leg of the resistor. Well, they actually show that the other way round. Not that it makes any difference whatsoever, but will make it look exactly the same as the picture. So that one comes round there and goes in there. That one comes, not that it matters, but I've used the wrong wire. I want it to look exactly the same as the picture. So that one comes round and goes to there. The black wire from there goes under there, onto there. The black wire from the battery has got to come through there. And also connect onto there. Red wire from the battery's got to come through there and connect onto there. Okay, we've done that. Now we have to insert the motor in there. I know my grandson was having problems identifying which way round it was supposed to go. I would say oh, I see, those wires are supposed to go in there like that. Right, that's why he was struggling, because it wasn't going in like that. Okay, we've done that. Then that goes on there. That goes on there. That goes in there. It's a bit of a tight fit. Went in there, all right. Okay. Red wire comes around onto there. That's got a wire in here. Black wire comes round onto there. Okay, so that's all in position. We need a couple of batteries. So a couple of batteries. Okay, press the button. Fan blows. The LED comes on, although you probably can't see it. So that's it. Job done. So for Dav Ken, let's see if we can get it to drive a car or a boat. A very simple conversion, one of my rubber band powered cars. Position the fan so it points backwards logically. Cut the bodywork so it clears the fan. I've taken the LED out of circuit just in case it's reducing the power at all, and we'll bypass the switch by just connecting this jumper straight across. Struggling a bit. It's borderline, isn't it? Oh, but it works. So let's see if it works as a boat. So, in my water butt, rainwater butt, it's a lot happier on water than it was on land. So in answer to Dav Ken's question, yes, we can use it as a car or a boat, but it certainly seems a lot happier as a boat. So we can go the opposite way. Yep, that works. Job done.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.